How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, this is another loungewear outfit of the day. And I just took it out the package because I got a bunch of these caftans, y'all. I don't know what I'm saving them for. So I said, I might as well wear it now while I'm homebound during this Rona business going on. And head on over, after you watch this video, head on over to Mimi42 video. She just did a in the house outfit of the day. Beautiful caftan with pretty beading around the neckline. Okay. I'm not sure if I bought this. I've had it a long time. I don't know if one of my oldest daughter gave it to me or if I bought it or not. But I know you can't find these on Amazon. So, no wig, just my hair. Nice and long, but because I'm tall, it doesn't go to my ankles, but that's okay. So, let me turn around and get my pose on. Getting out of that shadow. Okay, I got a little chit chat. Ladies, always look as good as you can look, whether you're going out or not. Where you got to get up and go to work or whatever, or you're a housewife or you're just taking care of kids all day. Look as good as you can look. Smell as good as you can smell. That's what my mother always installed in us. Because she would say it's nothing worse than a stinking woman. Somebody that don't take care of themselves. Take care of yourself. For yourself. You ain't got to do it for no man. You ain't got to do it for nobody but yourself. Look as good as you can look. And then you'll feel good. Because I feel great, y'all. And I have on some perfume. I smell good. Anyway, and I'm going to tell a little story about my grandfather. My mother's daddy, he was a hobo in the true sense of the word, because he would actually hop trains, freight trains, jump off and meet up with other hobos, and they would share whatever somebody had. A can of beans, a smile, he would call his whiskey a smile. You're going to get a little smile. But he dressed up and he looked like the most distinguished person in the world. And you're not going to think, if you would see him dressed up, you wouldn't think that, oh, that's that bum over there now. You ain't going to think that about a man. But you smell a woman and then you see her again all cleaned up, dressed up in church, shouting. First thing going to come to your mind is, that lady, she needs help. I'm just saying. So fix yourself up, clean yourself up. That's what I try to do. And that's what I try to instill in my daughters. I got 7 daughters, y'all. I would actually threaten them. I better not ever smell y'all. I'm going to beat the life out of you. So they're clean. Some of them may not dress so well, they dressing like these other folks dress. But I better not ever smell you. This went a different way. It's supposed to be outfit of the day. Well, this is my outfit of the day. So, thanks for watching. Thumbs up. Give me a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And stay in and stay safe during these shut-in days. Okay, bye.